Hi, welcome to English 106, Introduction to Poetry. I'm C. Rosenow, I'm the instructor for the course, and this term we'll be working together to learn about different types of poems and the various components that go into crafting a poem and that help us to better understand poetry when we read it. Most importantly, we just get to read a lot of awesome poetry. I'd like to provide a short introduction to the course. This class is entirely online, so you'll need to have access to a computer and a good internet connection to be successful. We have one textbook for the class, Introduction to Poetry by X.J. Kennedy and Dana Gioia, and it's available through the Titan Store. All the other resources you'll need will be here on our Moodle site. So let's take a look at what's provided at the top of our Moodle site. There's a course orientation that I'd like you to take, and then I'd like you to read through the entire syllabus. It's a lot of information, so you might want to take it in chunks. The syllabus is provided as a Moodle booklet, so you can use the arrows here to move through each section, or you can go through the table of contents and click on the section you're interested in reviewing. Finally, because it's a booklet, you can also print it out if that's helpful to you. If you go over to the hamburger menu and click, you'll see a full menu, including the place where grades are posted, so that you can check your progress during the term. But if you'd like to have more space on your screen, just click the menu again and it disappears. I'd like to point out a few forums that we'll be using this term. The first is the News and Announcements forum. I'll be using that to share information with the entire class. The second is the Q&A forum. This is for any questions you have about the syllabus, assignments, or if there are any problems with the Moodle site. Post those issues and those questions here. And the first person to respond correctly to a question gets an extra credit point. I'll jump in and answer questions that were answered incorrectly or that weren't answered at all, and I'll do that within 24 to 48 hours. Finally, I'd like you to post a short introduction about yourself in the Introductions forum. If you have concerns that are of a personal nature, please don't post them to any of the forums, but just contact me by email and we can discuss them. Now each week we'll follow a similar format. You'll find an overview where there's a short recording about what we'll be doing that week. There will also be a page that lists the learning outcomes and general topics for that week. Please read over those learning outcomes, and then as you go through the chapter and listen to my lectures, make sure that you're meeting the outcomes. If you find at the end of the week you're not confident about each outcome, please go back to the book and the lectures, and then contact me so that I can answer any questions you have. Readings will be listed in our Moodle block. Activities will also be listed here. Every week, you'll read a chapter from our textbook, you'll take a vocabulary quiz, and you'll post a response in a forum to a prompt I've provided. I'll be providing short lectures covering the information in the different parts of each chapter in our textbook, so please listen to those and take notes as well. Okay, I think that's all we need to cover to get started. I look forward to working with you.